In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks Online subscription. Whether your business is growing and you need more features, or you're streamlining and want to reduce costs, changing your QuickBooks Online plan is actually a straightforward process. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can confidently make the switch without worrying about breaking anything in your books. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're logging in as the primary admin or company admin. Only admin users have permission to make subscription changes, so if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need to ask whoever manages your account to adjust your user role or complete this process for you. Once you're signed in, go to the Settings area. In the top right corner of your screen, click the little gear icon. From there, choose Subscriptions and Billing. In some versions, you may instead see Account and Settings, and then a Billing and Subscription tab. Both paths take you to the same place where all your subscription information lives. Before you change anything, take a moment to verify that your payment details are up to date. Check that your card number, expiration date, and billing address are current. If your payment method is outdated, your upgrade might fail or your account could be interrupted later, so updating this now helps avoid surprise issues. Next, look for the section specifically labeled for your QuickBooks Online plan. Here, you'll see information about your current subscription, and you should find an option to upgrade your plan or downgrade your plan. Choose the direction you want to go based on your needs. After that, it's time to select your new plan. You'll see a list of the available subscription levels, along with a summary of the key features included in each one. Take a few moments to compare what you're getting now versus what each new plan offers. Think about things like the number of users you need, the types of reports you use, and whether you rely on advanced features like inventory or classes. When you're confident about your choice, click on the plan you want. Finally, follow the prompts to confirm the change. QuickBooks will usually show you a breakdown of the new pricing and when the change will take effect. Review everything carefully, then confirm to finalize your upgrade or downgrade. Once that's done, your account will adjust to the new plan, and you can get back to running your business with the subscription level that fits you best.